All right, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Happy weekend to you all. Today's date is 22nd of August 2026. We are here this morning or this afternoon or evening, depending on your time zone. Please accept my greetings. I am here just to give you updates and to connect the dots because I've seen people sharing videos and talking about what PM said yesterday in Finland court. And before then, in our program yesterday, when we had Benchus here, he said something about this. And some people was trying to counter him on the comment section. And I intentionally ignored them. I purposely just turn my eyes away from their comments. But I'm going to share everything with you. I don't have the access to the comment anymore, but I have to tell you what they said in the comment. Benchus was here telling us that the PM said something about Biafran, redeclaration of Biafran that took place in Finland on November 29th, 2024. After his arrest, Biafran took it upon themselves to gather in Finland just to fulfill the purpose, to get things done the way it was being planned by Biafrans. Of course, PM was here then. So this is the reason why some of us are saying what we are saying. Because we've seen how the whole thing started. We witnessed it. We know. From outside, though, I'm not an insider. I'm not in the government. I'm not in the cabinet. I'm just like you, observing things and seeing things the way it's going. Not because I have special access or anything like that. No. But if you can recall, if you can remember what you know, if you have the ability to think, if you have ability to remember what you already know or what you have seen, falling back will never be your option. Fall back is not an option. Those of them that fall back because their memory is not with them. They are having what, some of them are passing through what our able barrister normally call the lucid interval. Your memory, your brain is off and on. It's not my fault. It's actually maybe a sickness or your just inability to understand what is going on and to retain information. Many of us have seen the household started. PM, who is the leader, when he was free, he proposed this self-referendum. He talked about it. He also organized the team that will spearhead, or the organizers that will help for Biafran to be redeclared, and the plan and the strategy, everything was spot on. He even made posts. Remember, there was a convention in Finland, okay, where Biafrans gathered and signed some treaty. The plan was led after he must have introduced what is called, what we now know today as Montevideo Convention. 80% of us don't even know this. He's what I called our attention to that. The international way of getting or regaining your freedom or going for your freedom, which is well organized by every international community. And this is pattern that PM followed. He followed it step by step by bringing map, gave map states. Every template was made known. So some people decided to flush away all these things away from our memory that we want to retain and remain in Briggy. Nobody's against Briggy. I'm not saying that Briggy is a forbidden place. No. But Briggy is part of the process. You are going to hear PM even use the word part of the process in the audio. Guess what? They will tell you, oh, it's AI. They have not started, but I'm giving you an idea of what they're going to say. Everything is not about PM. What they're doing now is actually about you. Listen to me now. You that is watching. Everything they're doing is about you. They're insulting you without you knowing. They said that you are mumu, you are senseless, that you are crazy. Because when somebody said that I can even, slap your mother and your father in your presence and get away with this, just once you sleep off and wake up, you will not remember anymore. That is an insult, in case if you are not aware. And that is what they're technically doing. And for those of you that are neither here nor there, This is the moment of the truth. A time for you to start reconnecting and coming back to USB. It is good for you. You are not doing it for me. You are not favoring me. It's for your own sake. Because if you don't, you will end up regretting it. Mazakwa today is he's just trying to self-pedal a lot of things simply because he's now realizing that this is the moment of truth. The time is here. He knows this, and he's working his way back to the right track. Whether he will be welcomed or accepted is not, I don't know. I'm not here to tell you, oh, let's not welcome him. He's not under my control. But what I'm trying to remind you is that some of you that are following and clapping to them, you don't have the ability to come back. You don't have what it takes to swallow shame and to accept defeat for you to become relevant once again. Mazaka has done it before. He's on his way doing it again. What about you? You may think that nobody is seeing you, nobody knows your post, you can change your handle. Guess what? Some of us already knows your handle. Some of us retain your information. Some of us know your identity in your handles. That even if you like change the name 100 times, we know who you are. Have you asked yourself how come we still remember this hippopotamus? What is her name? Nikki. Hippo. How do we still remember? He changed her handle from Madam Nikki to Nikki to Nikki Baby and all that. We still know who she is. I know she's surprised. She don't even put her picture before. But now it is not done on her that no matter what she do, we know who is behind that handle. Why I'm saying all those things for you to understand that this is a moment of truth and people are not picking information and connecting it to what they already know. Oh, can report, you be careful. It's not my turn to tell you to be careful. Now, DPM made a post. I saw the post as late hour last night, the audio, and a lot of Biafrans are sending me, even YouTube link where they posted the audio and all that. But Benchuk said it here, and some criminals were busy on my comment section trying to counter him. I didn't react or respond to you. Why? In one of them, in that comment, said something. As they were telling me, kind of, be careful. This guy he's misleading you, giving you false information. One of them said, even though he said, but he still believes in bringing. Because you think that you don't understand what is bringing. You don't understand what is autopilot. Neither will you understand what is USB. Because you are naturally mumu. You are wired to become mumu. Everybody must not be smart and intelligent. There's a reason why almost every community have one or two madmen. So there's a reason. They are actually important in their own way. But who are you? Are you a mad person in the community? Are you one of the smart people? I will leave that in that bracket for you to answer. Fill it up. Who are you? People need to understand that we are not talking to fools. You understand? We are not talking to fools. Be very, very careful and allow your memory to serve you good. Otherwise, you end up messing yourself up. Like as I was saying, DPM made a post, as you can see here on the screen. She said something very, very interesting. August 21st, yesterday. PM Simon Ekpa clarifies USB. He clarifies USB was declared in Lahti, Finland with 40 states. Remember one man, one of the prophets, a man that called prophet, was saying in his recent videos that the bullshit, and I can social media, the bullshit, who me jot. One of the things that he said that that pushed me to even stop analyzing him much or going deeper is when he said that I spoke with the PM, I spoke with Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Funde autopilot. He didn't say Prime Minister of Biafra. Have you noticed that? Guys, go back to his video. You see, the Prime Minister of Funde, that kind of phrase that this man is using should tell you from the angle where he's coming from. But I don't want to go deeper on that because I don't want to be seen as, oh, you are attacking, you are preaching hate, you are attacking. Because I felt that the time is not yet here. Until only Patacha no, then you cannot remind him of what he used to say. Every word that you pronounce from your mouth, everything you said. It's actually been noted. That the people are not talking about it does not mean that they don't know. Many of us do. We pick it one by one and talk the one that we feel like this is time to talk about it and leave the other one for when the time comes. That's why I said, don't think that you are talking to fools. In his statement, he was attacking USB for saying that we now have 40 states. What did the PM just said? What did he just said? You are going to hear it also here in this video. He said, today in the magistrate court, Lahti, the Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra, this triggered, Chomo Koma, who I don't know, I don't see Chomo Koma just ordinary fall back. Her own is fall back with with a bundle of portfolio filled with the sabotage. She's doing what she's doing as a contractor. Whatever that comes out, a professor without shame, a professor without dignity. His Excellency Simon Ekpa made it clear for the record. The United States of Biafra was declared in Latin. The declaration included 40 states listed to the voice. Listen to the voices of the PM in court today attached. Anyone passing a different information must stop immediately. The declaration of the United States of Biafra on 29 November 2024 took place in Lahti, Finland, with delegates from the 40 states of Biafra and was witnessed by international observers as Biafrans worldwide. Over 50 million votes were recorded in the self-referendum leading to the declaration, meaning that nobody just woke up and say, hi guys, let me declare myself today. It was planned 1 year ahead. And that is what some people are trying to brainwash coconut head, brains are called human beings. If you allow yourself to, if you cite these guys, like the one called the University of Ndemnamara, University of Biafra, you go look at names. And this guy Biafra. His name is University of Biafra. But they don't behave like we passed nursery school. How did you make up that name? Like, how do you come up with such a name to answer University of Biafra when you cannot even represent kindergarten students? He said, there is only one declaration, one constitution, and one government. The United States of Biafra government, currently headed by DPM Ngozi Orabeze, of which Simon Ekpa is the prime minister and Mazen Khan is the leader. If you like, so it's not transformer. They are the one to deny, not you. You can only run around and gossip and lie. Time will tell. All Biafrans, all media, and all USB officials are directed to use Lahti Declaration. Lahti Declaration. That is better. I think that it sounds small. Well, come on. It sounds good. Lahti Declaration. 40 states. Lahti Declaration, 40 states. Only said everybody should get used to Lahti Declaration of 40. Lahti Declaration, 40 states. Lahti Declaration 40, because I just noticed that she put quote here and here. That means where it ends. Lahti Declaration 40 states. Only, that's what you should be using, only this. Any other narrative is false and must be corrected. Our eyes remain on the ball. Signed, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, DPM head of brigade. This one now sound all like that. It will hit them like thunder. Each time she put this head of brigade, and I don't know what these guys are, what is going on in their mind. Like, you think that by forcing and registering maybe your boutique shop somewhere in America, and you think that your name is Briggy, that means you are not the originator. Who are you when Briggy was formed in the first place? Where are you actually coming from? I mean, God, people are bold, to be honest with you. People have liver. You just wake up and you want to be the one to say whatever you want to say. Who does that? Anyway, the audio is here. Listen. Let's go to the audio.
Even the declaration that happened while I was in prison, it's not the first time that people have declared their independence abroad. Jopa tämä itsenäisyysjulistus annettiin silloin, että oli Markus. Because he mentioned it. Hän mainitsi sen oikeusistunnon alussa. Maybe you don't know this because even Czechoslovakia. Ehkä hän ei tunne historiaa, koska jopa Tsekkoslovakia. They declared independence in Washington. Julisti itsenäisyytensä Washington. So it is not even, there is nothing wrong with the particular independent land. Ei ole mitään väärää siinä, että viattaa julistaa itsenäisyytensä Lahtissa. It is part of the process. Se on osa tätä prosessia. I think we should have the feedback from.
Okay, there are two audio. PM was talking, they're translating it to Finnish language. PM was talking and they are translating it in Finnish language. Now, I can't wait to see Biafra Unite analyzing this clip. I have given them option, very cheap option. You know, I'm a very good person. I'm not a good guy. The good guy is PM, but I'm a very good person by suggesting to you how to lie on this one. Please, Biafra Unite and Laswa, you better say this is AI. Don't change the word. This is actually AI. Okay? Sell it, Oya. Begin to sell it. Whom we believe. Okay, Mono Vamnaya. I'm telling you. You see, I don't know Remedios' performance so far, but I can tell you that Remedios is actually more smart and more intelligent than Biafra Unite. Some of you that watch Remedios, please put your comment on. Is Remedios still attacking USB? Is he still remaining? Is he doing what he normally do? Because on identify his mother shower and the Oyoshi indeed believe. Ogen and their group are actually far better than Chobokoma in terms of sense, reasoning. They are now sharing Remedios past video where he was attacking USB, calling USB criminal, the recruitment of a thing, how this. Listen, I don't want to. I refuse to react on that from PB because I don't know. I honestly I don't know. I can't remember when last I listened to Remedios. Remedios is not my enemy, not at all. I'm not saying that he's a bad person. He left for Biafra to dictate, not me. What I'm saying is that they are sharing their past events just to remind them what they have done in the past, because they know even Oge Grassroot Barawa, okay, knows where PM stands. Because they know that is why they are attacking PM. Have you seen their post? Ngozi is now because of Ngozi, you are backing Ngozi, you are selling Ngozi and all this, right? Sometimes even BLA no, but because of one or two things they are refused. Let me see how the whole thing will play. Biafra Unite, somebody told me that he has made it clear that if PM come out and refuse to turn against USB, that he will rise against him. And Lazuba have said that already, in some time ago. Is actually expected. I cannot be, in fact, I will be disappointed, or I will be surprised rather, if they did not attack PM. Now, some of you saying that kind of you attack PM. I'm not going to attack PM. What I will do is to say the truth. If saying the truth is what you think that is attacking PM, so be it. But we shall see. And this is just the beginning of the end. This is just the beginning to the end. Okay?
Even the declaration that happened while I was in prison, it's not the first time that people have declared.
Even the declaration happened while I was in prison. This is not the first time people have declared themselves.
Independence abroad.
Have declared them. This is not the first time people have declared their independence abroad. Okay? Coming from PM Saman Ekpa. He is not your enemy. Some of you, let me tell you something. This is not PM choosing and rejecting. This is PM standing on the side of the truth. This has to do with DPM. Like I always tell you, you are just fighting DPM. PM is just a victim of your stupidity. She is a victim of your ignorance. She's not your problem. She'll never be your problem. You are the one making her your problem for no just reason. Reason best known to you, actually. And that is what I'm actually confused about some of you, about why some of you are doing total gagain. For how long are you going to do that? How long are you going to live like that? You cannot hear it from PM himself. He's one telling you, you can hear his voice. Let's actually continue. This is them translating it to Finnish language, okay? Because when I listened to this before, I was thinking that they are having arguments, somebody is trying to counter it, but now I realize that it's actually Finnish translator or somebody who is translating it in Finnish language for Finnish people that are around in the court. Oh no, or Finnish medias.
Jopa tämä itsenäisyysjulistus, joka annettiin sillä aikaa, että oli markkinoissa. Because he mentioned it. Hän ei ole this mainitsi se oikeusistuman alussa. Maybe we don't know this because even Czechoslovakia. Ehkä ei tunne historiaa.
Maybe you don't know this, even Czechoslovakia also declared their independence abroad.
Koska jopa Czechoslovakia, they declared their independence in Washington.
In Anya.
So it's not, there is nothing wrong with Biafra declaring independence in Lahti.
There's nothing wrong. Biafra declaring their independence in Lahti.
It's part of the process. I think we should have the feedback from even the declaration that happened while I was in prison. It's not the first time that people have declared their independence abroad. Declaration of independence, yes. Jopa tämä itsenäisyysjulistus, joka annettiin sillä aikaa, että oli markkinoissa. Because he mentioned it. Hän ei ole this mainitsi se oikeusistuman alussa. Maybe we don't know this because even Czechoslovakia. Ehkä ei tunne historiaa, koska jopa Czechoslovakia.
Now, there's another audio.
Biafra at this point comprises of 40 states. Tässä kohtaa Biafra koostuu 40 osavaltiota. That 40 states district.
Biafra at this point has 40 states. It has 40 states and district. Now, guess what? Chomo Okoma, Bryce Okoma, Lazuba, Hippopotamus, all of them, they are there. They are all gathered there hearing this. Did you see them talk about this? No. I'm still waiting for the analysis. And guess what? They did not know that somebody is recording this audio. Eba Kamino, we might have a finaya. Nega Quenti.
Each county have 5 districts. County ja jokaisessa countissa on every district have district head. Ja jokaisen district-hallintoyksikön johdossa on.
Each county has, district. And each county has, let me take it back. I'm going to play it back again. He explained the county and district head. Okay? Pay attention.
At this point, comprises of 40 states.
At this point, Biafra comprises of 40 states. In that 40 states, you have district. Each state has 15 counties. Each county has 5 districts. And every district have district head. PMA guy, they're gonna do. So it is grassroots rule. It is from grassroots. In Cabra, oh, in a memo post, and this structure is actually what is called pattern of multi-video. Because in that modification convention, what is more the most important thing in that is that the world want to see if people that we want to rule, not we want to rule, people that we are clamoring for their independence actually in support of what they're doing. And everything have been proven by everything that is needed, all the requirements, signatures, representative. The first convention took place to know the momentum that will follow this. Second one is to follow the template and the process. Anything other than this or trying to obstruct this is just out of the plan. All right. So I want to know what you think. What is your take on this? I can't wait to read from you. Go to the comment section and let me know what you think about everything we just presented to you, and what do you think, or what do you have to say to PM? In my own words, it is time to say thank you, PM. May God bless you, and may your freedom be given. May your freedom come to you as soon as possible. Just pray for him on the comment section. God bless you that you're watching, and make sure you like the video. Subscribe to us in case if you are new. And let me tell you, for Back Republic members, you better come back, okay? Come back and just be yourself. You may not know, maybe you have gone astray. You don't know, you follow PM before because you just follow for following sake. You don't listen, you don't follow, you don't care to know what PM was saying. Okay, I think this is time for you to make your amendment. If you turn around, if I know you, even though I know you before, I'm not going to insult you. I'm not talking about those that participated in this sabotage. I'm talking about you as a member, as a follower. You're going to use your brain or get mad in a behavior. Stop behaving like animal. And if you, may God bless you if you do so. Take care of yourself and bye bye for now. Day one.